1/4 cup of oats, half a cup of milk. I already put in 1/4, so there's a half. A squirt of honey, or you could use maple syrup. I chopped up 2 bananas for 5 cups, 5 mason jars full of oatmeal, and just divide it up and chop it up and put it in there. Then you grab a handful of frozen blueberries and drop them in on top of the banana. Then you put the lid on and you just give it a good shake. Keep shaking, put it in the refrigerator, and then it's ready to eat the rest of the week. You can pop it in the microwave about 40 seconds. I usually dump it into a bowl. You could just eat it out of the mason jar as well. But there you have some easy, healthy oatmeal. You could add whatever you want to it. It doesn't have to be banana and blueberry. There you have it.